checking out all the horse poop?
Seeing how old it is, if maybe the herd's still around here.
Did you taste it?
Not yet. If I get really desperate to see one.
Huh. Lots of horse poop, wild horses around here, but we haven't seen any yet. Very, very, very windy. When we first got here, it was so windy. I was actually scared, like terrified. You can't really see, I don't think, in the video of like how far down it goes.
She made us pick a site that was away from the edge of the...
Okay, so it was like, how windy do you think it was? I don't know what it was, but whenever it's wind on the side of a cliff and you're driving right on the side of it with a couple feet beside you, I would be scared. And I finally stopped looking that way and I said, okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm really scared and I need you to stop. Our spot's still really cool, but I didn't want to get any closer. There's like a lot of sites that are like right on the cliff, right on the edge. With this wind, I can't even, like, if you don't fall off, you're gonna feel like you are. Earlier, the trailer was shaking where we were at, so really windy up here. Come on! You're going down a really big hill. Good. You're not gonna fall. Stick your legs up. That's what I was saying. I'm scared to go further. What? What you think?
It's what I remember. I like it.
It's really windy.
That's Wyoming for you.
Elias, what do you think? Do you like it? Yeah, is it awesome to ride your bike? You can go that way? Okay. Watch out for the poop! Shoo! Hey Elias, hey, what do you have?
Rock.
You have cool rocks?
Rock.
You have 5 rocks?
Yes.
Cool!
Oh,
Oh, you don't have enough? He's kind of obsessed with rocks now.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
What am I gonna do?
Oh? Oh no. You good? Is that a cool rock? Yeah. I run with the rocks. I run with the rocks. Whoa. Oh no.
Oh my God.
I don't know where you got being so dramatic from.
I don't either.
The camera just happened to stop on you. Elias, what are you doing?
Oh, Mom.
It's okay. Just take those. You should have brought your wagon. Are you going to pick up every rock we pass? There might be a few. Is it heavy? You should probably make Dad carry everything then. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, another one.
Gosh. Gosh.
So heavy.
Yes.
What's happening?
But house.
You're walking to the house. Are you getting tired?
I do.
You're making lots of sounds.
But you.
You want to sleep?
Yeah.
What are you doing now? Is it hot?
Yeah.
You getting all the sweat out of your face?
Yeah.
I don't see any though.
This
Shoot.
Down.
So what? So hot. It's actually not hot at all, bud. It feels really nice. It's kind of cool. What's happening? Are you flying?
Yes.
Huh. What do you think? Don't touch him.
I go.
You want him to go?
Mm-hmm. I'll go back. I'll go back. Yes.
We're searching for our dinosaur buddy. Say bye before we leave, but we can't find him. Have you found him yet, bud? I don't know where he is. He's been in the same spot the whole time. I'm hoping that he went ahead and got a seat in the truck and buckled in since he's going with us. Just kidding. Dang. Oh man. I don't think you're gonna get to say bye to him, Bob. Of course he's gonna move today. He's been over here in this stuff. I found him. Decided to come look one more time. Oh, just scared him. Where'd he go? Sorry, buddy. I was just trying to put you in the shade so I could see you. There he is. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Are you telling Daddy what to do? So you gotta listen to me, Dad. I was just getting you bossing Dad around. Making sure he's doing his job.
Yeah.